Ninja Dragon's Kingdom for another random melee air raid. It's Luigi Mario level 1, 2, 3 here.
And your mom.
Okay. We are going to make sure that warp stars are set. I will do Hammer Slicker. I have chosen Marth, Bowser, and Donkey Kong. You'll be going to Pokemon Stadium since I got X up to long ago, and I'm going to pay homage to Pokemon Stadium. Look at this! Mine! Oh! Ah! No! Mine! I know I did not put level 9 CPU, but I'm only doing it just for the hilarity.
Come on, stage. Change.
It will, it will.
Oh, I forgot to put score counter on them.
I know. I also forgot to change the CPU to level 9.
Yeah, just make it easy.
Yeah, I know, but I'm only doing it just to be funny.
Do the music.
Yeah.
What
the?
Stupid.
What the heck is an Octorok doing there?
Fire.
Yay. Oh! Oh! Yay! Even the board knows I'm awesome. Well, okay, well, you guys are starting to become petty little thieves. You're not even winning, Bowser. Shut up. Oh! Round and round she goes until I stop. Nobody knows. No, mine. Oh, yay! Oh, what's that, Rainbow Boy? I didn't hear you. Ow! Ow! Ouch! Fail! Whoa! Fucker dead. Ow! No! Thank God I can fly. No! Dang it. Screw you, Donkey Kong. You're not even winning. Ow! You're gonna pay for that. Made you little ape. Oh! No more Mr. Nice Kirby. I'm pulling out all the stops.
Is there anything besides fire?
There is. It hasn't gotten to it yet. There's water.
Should set like 15 minutes and see if we're done.
Yeah, I might do that. Oh! The time has come to get stoned. Literally.
I see what you did.
Oh! At the end, we'll still be reading all the stats. So, it's all good. Oh! Oh man, I almost had a double KO. Ah! Screw you! You're never winning, stupid monkey. Oh! Oh! I love endless air raiding! Oh! Wow, Bowser. Oh! I guess you're not so big and bad, huh? Because I'm the guy who's bad. Oh! Okay, I did not understand any of that. Did you? Take that, pretty boy. Ooh, dude, there's water.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
They have grass.
Think so.
Or is the normal one grass?
So, ow. You got a KO, Bowser. You did something for once. Me. Dude. 23 KOs. Dude, it's 5 falls. No self-destructs. Oh yeah.
23 and 5.
Yeah. 18. Okay. First strike, Eagle, instant poser, rock steady, no R for you, tail moves. Lost luggage. What a silence. Predator. What? Oh, my Predator.
What's Predator?
I didn't think you attack one certain person. I was attacking every single one of them.
Just continue.
Star KO, cheap KO, double KO, triple items, warp star KO, Octorok KO.
Dude, all your KOs.
Wire to wire, KO artist, offensive artist, KOs, falls.
Interesting.
Yeah. Thank you very much. This has been a random melee air raid. This is Luigi Mario 1, 2, 3.
And your mom.
See you later.